Backing up apps is a good habit so that once you deleted them accidentally or lost them for some reason, you can have a chance to get back. In this video, we will show you two methods respectively on how to back up apps on Android phone and iPhone. For part 1, we will show you how to back up apps on Android phone. In method 1, you will know how to back up apps on Android using Google Drive. First, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Accounts and Backup. Choose Backup and Restore, and tap on Google Account. Turn on Backup to Google Drive and done. In method 2, we will show you how to back up apps on Android with AppTrans. Run AppTrans on your computer and connect your phone via USB cable. Choose App Backup and click Backup Now. Check all or selected apps you want to transfer and click Backup Now. When it has finished, you can go to App Restore to check your backup and restore them as you want at any time. For part 2, we will show you how to back up apps on iPhone. In method 1, you will know how to back up apps on iPhone using iTunes. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Then, click the phone icon on the top left corner. Choose Apps and Settings to back up them. Attention please, if you use iTunes 12.7 or earlier, you can do it, but if you've updated your iTunes, you cannot back up apps with iTunes. Please follow method 2. In method 2, you will know how to back up apps with AppTrans. Run AppTrans and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Choose App Backup and click Backup Now. You can choose to back up apps, app data, or all of them as you like. Then, check Apps and click Backup Now. Before backing up, you need to sign into your Apple ID to authorize. When it has done, you can click View Details to check your backup. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.